Hey y'all, welcome to Sidewinder Shed. Again, not in the shed, not in the camper, not in the kitchen. I'm outside in the front yard. Putting a radiator in the wife's Jeep. It's a 99 Grand Cherokee, and looks simple. It's not there's not a whole lot of room in here. Let me show you what's going on. Alright, so what we got going on here, as you can see, it's kind of taken apart. Now what they tell you to do is take this whole front bumper off, this whole front grill, because believe it or not, this stupid ass front grill is connected to the bumper. But instead, if you take out the top radiator support right here, that gives you just barely enough room to get the radiator out. And this thing has two fans in it. It has an electric fan and a mechanical fan, which is cool. But anyway, this is what I'm doing today. And I don't know if I'll get it done tonight or not. But just thought I'd give you a little update. Let you know that I do other stuff besides cooking with cast iron and camping and working on the camper and you know, building furniture and putting up cast iron walls in the kitchen. So anyway, let me get back to this so that the missus can go ahead and use this to go to work tomorrow. And we'll check in with y'all later. Y'all have a good day.